Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Briahna Beauty here, and in today's video I am going to be filming a Fenty Skin review. So I got my Fenty purple nails, okay, my Fenty purple robe, a Fenty package. Before we get started, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a video. I also would like to give a little background on my skin type. I do have oily to combination skin. I do have acne prone skin, and after I do have breakouts, I do get dark blemishes that can last for months at a time that stay on my face. I also do have large pores that are on my nose and on my chin, right here and here. I get really large pores and blackheads. So yeah, Fenty Skin is the latest Rihanna venture. It has been something that has taken over the internet for the past week or so, and it is a highly anticipated product in the beauty community. It is a 3-step skincare routine that is supposed to be made for all skin types. It comes with a 2-in-1 cleanser, a 2-in-1 serum, I believe, and it also comes with a moisturizer. You can get all 3 things for a discounted price of $75. It has a total value price of $88, so you get it for $13 off, or you have the option of buying each thing separately depending on what you may want or may not. So here is the box that it came in. So now I'm gonna open it. This serum, this is the cleanser, and then this must be the moisturizer in the box. Here is what the cleanser looks like. It comes in this like lavender lilac tube. It's very simplistic and clean. It just says Fenty Skin, and it is the total cleanser. It is a 2-in-1 cleanser and makeup remover. You'll get better results if you use it in the morning and at night. It removes makeup, oil, dirt, and pollution without stripping skin or drying you out. It purifies pores and helps fight shine long after you've rinsed it off. It's oil-free, non-comedogenic, and it's for all skin types. So this is the facial cleanser. Next, we have the serum, which comes in a clear container, but then it also has the purple top, and the contents inside looks like a peachy coral color. And it also says Fenty Skin. And this is the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. So the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum is a 2-in-1 toner serum combo that targets pores, improves the look of dark spots, brightens, smooths, and fights shine. It's not dry at all. Okay, it's an alcohol-free formula that won't strip your skin or dry you out. And it's called Fat Water because it's thick. Period. Okay? And so its unique texture means you can pour it into your hand to apply. So you don't need cotton pads, which equals less of a waste. And one more thing about the cleanser as well as the serum is that at the bottom there are these holes where you twist the top like locks, and you click it and it unlocks, and you just push and squirt the product out that way. And the same thing goes for that. See, you hear it? Same thing goes for the serum, and you just hold it upside down and it comes out like that. So that is very cute. In the box we have the Hydra Visor. Okay, this is the moisturizer, so I'm gonna open it. Okay, so it comes first in this little tube like this, and it's the lavender again, and it says Fenty Skin. And then you have to insert the actual moisturizer into it. So this is like a refillable type of situation here, it looks like. Just push it down. This is more so like a refillable situation. I know on the site you could buy more of just the inserts instead of having to buy the inserts and this. And so, yes, this is a refill. And I believe the refill is cheaper. I'll insert the refill price on the screen. But yes, this is the refill, and lock it. Oh, maybe you twist the bottom. Oh, yep, you twist the bottom to lock it. Cute. So that when you're traveling, it won't spill out in your bag. It's a 2-in-1 sunscreen and moisturizer that defends and brightens skin while reducing the look of pores. You better wear your sunscreen every damn day, okay? We got you with the Hydra Visor's broad spectrum SPF 30 protection. No chalkiness here, sis. This pink tinted cream applies invisibly on all skin tones. Plays well with makeup, no piling, and zero flashback. It boosts and brightens skin, making pores, fine lines, and wrinkles less visible. It's earth conscious and it's refillable. So this is the step 3, and this is the moisturizer and sunscreen. Okay, so I am going to try these products twice a day as recommended, in the morning and at night, for 1 week, and I'm going to let you all know what I think. So we'll be back in a week. Alright, beauties, so it has officially been 1 week since I started using the new Fenty Skin 3-step process. So I've been using the cleanser, the serum, the serum, and the moisturizer for a complete week straight now. I have used it in the morning and at night, 7 days straight. Just using this. I have not used anything else within my skincare routine, only because I wanted to give this 3-step process an actual chance to see how much I like it, what I don't like, and things of that nature, and to also just compare it to my usual skin routine. I'm gonna start with the cleanser. Now, I absolutely love the cleanser. Now, this cleanser is also a cleanser and it is a makeup remover. And so what I think about this being an actual makeup remover is that it is very accurate with removing your makeup. But just to make sure that your makeup has been completely removed, you might want to use it again. Or if you only want to use it once, what I did was I used my makeup wipes as I would usually do. And then I used this. And I didn't have any problems. I still had like a little bit of like glue and mascara like on my lashes, stuck in my lashes, but I mean that's to be expected because the glue is tacky, and if it's in my lashes I'd probably have to like get it out some other way. It does have a pleasant smell. The smell isn't bad. If you're someone who doesn't like smells or scents for your skin routine, this might not be a product for you. Personally, for me, I don't mind it. As long as it's nothing like a strong fragrance of perfume, that's where I draw the line. But this is soft, pleasant. It doesn't bother me. The consistency. This is very creamy and thick. Let me see. Just a little bit. I'm going to save my product. But it's like a really like thick and creamy, you see, consistency. It's really thick. I like that. And it also leaves your skin feeling tacky, and not so like much in a bad way, but you do get like that tacky skin feel. I feel like you get that after you use all of the products. Okay, so the next product I want to talk about is the serum. Now, this is marketed as fat water because it's thick. This isn't like all that. It's thick, but it's not like, they say thick, I'm thinking like thick, like she ain't really going nowhere. kind of thick, but then it runs as well. Which, I mean, like, it doesn't really bother me that it's running, but I thought it would be like super duper thick. The way that they made it seem, I thought it would be thicker. In my opinion, maybe that was just me and my expectations was a little too thick. This also has that sticky feeling after you apply it. And the smell for this isn't as overwhelming. It's like as you go step by step by step, the smells get more prevalent. You're able to smell each fragrance more, or you're able to smell the fragrances more. And last but not least is the moisturizer. This might be my favorite product. This, from the packaging to like how it applies to the consistency, the smell, how my skin feels afterwards. I love this. This is probably something that I would like add in my skincare routine. This product I love. I really don't have no complaints with this. This smell is a bit stronger than the other two products, but again, it doesn't bother me. It's not like a strong perfumey smell. It's more like soft and pleasant, just more stronger or more prevalent. This is also thick as well, and it does have the SPF in it, and usually sunscreens leave your skin looking purple or gray, especially for us black melanated women. But this, you do not have that problem with this. As you apply it does kind of give that look, but as you continue to rub it in, it doesn't. It goes to looking like skin-like. My skin overall feels like butter, baby, okay? Butter, and I love it. So, yes, the moisturizer, 10 out of 10, okay? Just to be a 10 out of 10. The cleanser, I would give it about 8 out of 10. And then the serum, I would give this like a 7, a 6 or 7. But overall, I love the packaging. I love the smell. I'm not too fond of the consistency, and that's probably what gets me, because even when I apply it, it's still a little watery to me. I really like this whole Fenty Skin thing overall. I think that it is worth the $75, but if you wanted to like just know what things you could live without, you definitely could live without the serum. The moisturizer, I do completely recommend the moisturizer. And the cleanser is also a great product too. Alright beauties, that concludes the end of this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss another one. See you in the next video. Bye.